In this video, we are going to see that if you want to remove the Yahoo search from Microsoft Edge as the default search engine, here's how we can change. Let's say if you want to change it to Google, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just head over to the three dots on the top right hand corner and head over to the settings at the bottom. And then we click on the privacy search and services. And from here, we click on search and connected experiences. And in the address bar and search, we click on that. And from here, whatever search engine you want to search, you can switch it to, let's say, Google. And after that, we just go back. So whenever we search something on the new tab, it will search it on Google. But let's say that if we change this option here, let me just show you how we can change this. If we change this option here and we click on the new tab and then we search for something, it goes to the Yahoo search. So that is how we can easily switch it to whatever search engine we want. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.